You pick it up?
Pick it up, Winston. Pick it up. Yes, pick it up. Get it, Winston.
Good boy.
Now what? What happens?
Let's put it in the carton.
What happens when you crack it open, Daddy?
Oh, you want to put it in the carton first?
I don't know.
Let's put it in the carton. Let's go find the others.
Maybe we should crack them all as we find them. That might be really fun.
Okay. What should I do? Crack it with my head?
No, just tell him.
Just crack it with your hand and show them.
Watch, sweetie. Watch.
Whoa!
Oh, what's inside?
Oh.
Oh.
Fun confetti.
Whoa.
Listen, let's see if we can find more. Can you hold Daddy's hand to go down the steps?
Let's find some more eggs.
I don't know, guys. They still look really hard. The Easter Bunny leaves them. And
You see another one?
You find another one? Can I see another one?
I see one.
Where? Oh my God, what is that? What is that? What is that?
all right, guys.
What is that? What is that? Oh my God, another one! Can you crack it? Pull it out, Winston. In the side, she's pulling it out. Okay. Okay, boo-boo. Okay, Winston. Okay, put it.
Here we go. Here, Weston, put it in here. Want to put it in here? Thank you. Okay.
I can see it. You find another one, Winston?
Is there one over here?
Winston, there's another one. Here. Another one. Can you find one?
It's kind of blending. It's camouflaged. Good boy.
Can you see, Winston?
That's a rock.
That's a rock.
Rock.
That's an
What about one?
That's an ostrich egg. It's
What
a
is
little.
that? What is that? What is that, Winston?
Those are boring. I've already done a bunch of those. I was looking for some candy, actually. That's what I heard. The Easter egg bunny leaves candy.
Get it, Winston!
Or Easter bunny.
You got one!
Crack it.
Can you crack it? Crack it on Papa's head!
Oh!
Oh, wow!
There you go.
That hurt his arm. Whoa.
Yay!
Hold on.
Hey!
Oh.
Hey!
What kind of hard egg?
Confetti!
Where'd that one come from?
We kind of want to throw it against something.
Well, that's a great.
That was the one that was on the stairs you didn't.
Oh, what about this one? Maybe more. Maybe 3 would have been a good Easter egg hunt at this age.
You want another one, Winston?
Look at the truck.
On the truck. Yeah, Winston.
He's all truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, another one. What do you do? Throw it on the rock. Hard. Throw it. Hard.
Watch, Weston, can you see? Weston, can I see it? I'll show you what to do with it. Weston, ready? Here, Daddy.
Oh. Please don't crack, let it go. What in the hell is that?
Oh, right. I wonder if there's any more.
Another one. Go get another one.
There's one right over here.
Is there one over here?
Go get it, Winston.
Sancho, right here.
Winston. Over there. Go get it. Yay! Winston.
Daddy, bend down so I can crack it on your head.
You want to crack it on my head? Crack it on my head?
Very hard. Very hard, Winston. Very hard. Ah! Winston!
Wowzer.
Yay!
I like the shell.
Yeah.
Weston,
Can you put it in here?
babe, can you say egg?
Egg.
Good boy. Let's go back this way. See if there's more. I think that there's some right where.
You want more? You want to find more? Move, Cindy. Move. Yeah. Okay, Winston. Throw it on the floor. Boom.
We should probably be a little on the quieter side of people.
You want to do it? You want to do it?
Thing.
Go.
You're on my video.